Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Prerna Naidu Vlogs. So today now we are in the bus stand of Hubli. So today we surprisingly got a day off because there was no power in our office. There was some issues in the electricity. So because of that we got a day off. So we thought of instead of going to home, why not going somewhere. So we are planning to go somewhere.
So guys, now we have burnt the office today. Not burnt exactly because there was no electricity in our office today. So we have been given a day off. So we have planned to go somewhere. I will show you once we go there. So this is our new bus stand which has been constructed. And she is Chaitra, as you guys know. She is Rashmi, my colleague. And he is Niranjan. Hi. He is also a colleague. So now we are going to Decathlon, waiting for the bus, and this is the new bus stand. So guys, we have finally reached our destination, which is far from here. We have to walk for some meters. We have to walk for some meters. Yeah. So actually what happened in the bus is I pranked my friend, called her and said that I am in an emergency, please come to Decathlon. She is finding some way out to come out, but in her office they are not allowing her to go out right now. So let's see if she comes here and rescues me from the emergency in case if that has happened. But let's see if this prank will work out or not. Until then we will talk with our colleagues. Hi Chaitra. Hi Rashmi.
Hi.
You want to say something in my vlog? She is not allowed in my vlog. She is not allowed in my vlog. So Chaitra, you want to talk something?
Actually, friend, she is not considering me as a friend, so I am disturbed little bit. I am hurt.
No guys, because she has done something like that, so I am saying that she is a colleague. Because friends are for sharing, but she doesn't share anything. So in a way she is colleague. We are fighting in the middle of the road. Yeah. So you can see the traffic of Hubli. It has been like second Bangalore now. There has been lot of traffic here. ಎಲ್ಲಿ So guys, this is Decathlon.
Actually, I think Hubli people know this.
Yeah, this is Decathlon. It's in Hubli. You can come and visit here if you are bored.
Sports store.
This is sports store, so I specifically came here to see sports because I'm more interested in the sports. These guys are not interested, but because I forced them.
Because of Prerna.
Yeah, so because I forced them, so that's why they are coming with me. So now let's go and figure out something in Decathlon, and if possible we will buy something for free if it is available for free, because today we are traveling, all of us, we are traveling with 0 rupees in Hubli, because there is a free bus that is benefited us. Yeah, he is having money. He is a cashier. He is a cashier in our group. Yeah, but I am traveling with 0 rupees in my pocket now. We don't have any money, but because we have free bus, that's why we are traveling here. So this is the entrance of Decathlon. Let's go inside and figure out something. Actually, this is my first time, I think, coming to Decathlon. I have been in Hubli for more than 4 years. There is some checking. Bags are not allowed. So bags have been kept here. Only laptop bags are allowed. So let's yeah, we have to type something. Oh, we don't have anything, so we can go inside. Yes guys, this is Decathlon. Yeah, show me the tag of Decathlon. Guys, everyone here is seeing me with weird eyes because I don't think anyone in Hubli does vlogs like this and improper vlogs. Yeah, there are cabs here which are my favorite. Guys, it's 299 rupees. Really? Yeah, there are balls. They know what to buy. There is gym equipment here. I want to reduce my weight. I will see if I reduce 2 kg here now. I will reduce. There is nothing I can do. Like, I don't know how to do this. So these are the equipments here. Like, this is cycling, which I probably do daily. I have cycle in my house.
Oh,
So I do cycling, so I don't need this.
okay.
So let's see any other things if we can buy.
With the free, huh?
You have to sit like this. How to do this? It is locked.
There is any instruction?
Please don't try this. For our
Niranjan, you want to say something? Why?
guys, we are thinking that we will start our own startup, which is printed t-shirts. If any one of you are interested to join us, contact me below. Contact on this number.
Okay.
We will start a startup. Then we will rule the India.
Okay. She will
There are
rule the
balls
India.
here.
Definitely. This is not for you. Okay.
There is nothing I can buy here. There is a bat.
She is a Perry. RCB team. Support RCB.
Guys, this is the mongoose bat. This is mongoose bat. We will play cricket here.
Guys, in camera, to child wa. That's it. Guys, he is so beautiful. I think so handsome.
Without eyes, without nose. My boyfriend.
Yes, of
Without
course.
eyes, without nose.
Because
He
he
doesn't
will
exist in
exist
real life.
anything.
So,
It's better too. See how many boys you want, Peru. Okay,
there is tennis court here. Let's go and play.
okay. Yeah, I think I'm becoming a camera woman. Paid. No, it's paid, guys. We want free.
If there was a cricket ground like this, I would definitely paid and played it. We will move forward then. Because we have 0 rupees. We have to play for us. We cannot play anything here.
You can try by sitting chairs.
There are.
Tent is not
Yeah, we will visit the chairs.
Next trip we will shift this tent to Dandeli.
Yeah, if you guys have seen my Dandeli vlog, so this was the same tent which we have used there. So it's literally the same. Yeah, it's little bit smaller, but yeah, 2 people can sleep here. I don't know how much does this cost. It's 2,499. Oh, it's pretty much high. So we're doing some stuff. Where is she? What's that,
She
Chedra?
always do childish things. She is like a child.
Oh, there are cycles. Someone cover me. What is the use of that bottle? Come here. Guys, you can see this is a simple bottle, but its cost is 699 rupees. So you better go and buy in Shah Bazaar.
Durgadpel.
In Hubli.
It's a better
if you
idea.
Guys are from Hubli, then go visit there. If you are not, then go visit your market area.
They always search mirror only, guys.
So this is what Decathlon is. I was so much excited. There was something to play inside, but
There's nothing.
there is nothing to play here. There are things
For
which
our brand,
we are searching something for our brand.
it is the good to go.
There are no. There is a cricket kit. There's a cricket kit. There's a bat. There's a ball. There's a wicket. How much does this cost? Guys, it's 1500. No comments. Tennis ball. Tennis it is. 300. 50 rupees near my house. 300. That's it, guys. Now we will go outside, do something, then come back. So guys, we have come out of Decathlon now. It's not that much worth coming here. It's simply for time pass. If you're serious about buying something regarding sports, then you can visit this. But rates are too much. Rates are too much here. So there is a playing ground here. We will go visit that. If we can play something in this hot sun.
We didn't get any interesting things here, guys, actually.
Yeah. If you're willing to buy something for regarding sports, then you can come here, visit here. Otherwise, I don't think
It's useful.
it's useful. It's my genuine review. But for if they give sponsorship, I can change my review. I can change my review. There's a cricket ground here. Let's see if we are allowed to go and play there. There is something payable ಏನೋ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಾರ ನೋಡು.
You love at price. It's kit, cricket kit rate.
Love at prices cricket. It's cricket kit.
Guys, she is not allowed it here actually. The cricket bat size and her size is same.
There are no bats, no balls.
Only stump. Only
There are stumps, but what's the use of stump without bat and ball?
stumps. We can use this one.
There is no ball. How will you pay?
For what?
Guys, I'm going to try this. Someone.
Bat actually ball.
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು
Ball. Ball ಹುಡುಕ್ರಿ.
ಹಾ ಬಾಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರ
ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಕ್ಕ?
ಫಾಲ್ತು.
We are searching actually ball. If you get ball, comment below.
That's a cringe one.
Yes, of course.
No ball here. I wish I could get some ball and play. That's a bottle. Can you throw that one?
This is a ball. See guys, they are playing cricket here with a. Oh my God! It's six. Prerna, Perry. Woman. Hey, duck up. No,
guys, the uncle is so good here. The outsiders are not allowed to play here, but he is giving us some ball to play for only 5 minutes. But it's okay. 5 minutes is better than nothing. So we will go and play that. There's a cricket kit here. I wish I could try it on me, but it's not allowed. I will try it. So I got the ball, guys. So let's play now.
Now cheer for Prerna.
So guys, now we have completed playing cricket. As you can see our faces, they are so dull. So now we are getting freshened up here. Chaitra is getting freshened up. So it was pretty much good experience playing here. I love playing cricket. So I will definitely remember this day. It was totally unplanned today. We were not planning to go out and play, but due to there was no power in the office, so our sir told you can go home. But as we are we engineering graduates, so we will never go to home once we get the leave. So we came here, played cricket. I love that so much, and I got to know Chaitra also can play cricket today, and Rashmi also can play cricket. She's so much tired. So yes guys, now we are going to have lunch. So because I have told that we are traveling today with 0 rupees, so we are not going to eat outside. We have bought our lunch for the office, so we are going to have that for lunch. We are going to find a place for that and have lunch there. Yeah, so now we are going there. So guys, now we are going to eat lunch. Niranjan is taking us somewhere to go to which kere? Tolan kere. Tolan kere. So this is a shortcut route for that. I don't know, but he is going to take us there. So my friends are so tired. Guys, how was it playing cricket?
Excellent.
Niranjan? Yeah, for boys it will be definitely good. For girls like me it would be good. For girls like Chaitra and Rashmi, I doubt.
It's nice experience, guys. Actually.
Yeah. So
First time I hit the ball.
Chaitra has hit the ball today. It was shocking for me as well because she holds the bat in the reverse way and she hits it. So guys, you should know, like a person.
Even though if you reverse the bat, you
can hit the ball. But for that also there should be luck.
There is something eureka here.
It's a 5 minutes route from here. So as I was saying that we are today traveling with 0 rupees in our pocket. So we have found a place with no entry fees. So we are there, going there now. I hope there is no entry fees. If there is, then I don't know. I don't know what we will do. But I will definitely show you if we spend some money and stop the vlog there itself. So I forgot to ask guys, how was my previous vlog? Which was my previous vlog? Dandeli. Yes. So she was the girl.
She is missing in that frame.
I called her. We called her so many times. Please come. You will enjoy there. But that's why I was telling she is not my friend. She never states the thing which the reason why she didn't come. So I said she is colleague for the same reason.
Even though today also
She was not willing to come. But anyhow, we forced her to come with us.
okay.
So that's why Rashmi, you are a colleague. You are not a friend.
No, I'm becoming the best friend to Prerna and Chaitra.
Joycey, you are listening. If you are listening, then I'm sorry. If you know, you know. So yes, guys. What I was telling, regarding Dandeli trip, I hope you guys loved that vlog. Many people have commented on that, and many views has been increasing. Yeah, views are. She has a count. I don't even know how many views, but she knows because she came to the trip. So she's been watching herself because I'm such a good editor, you know. So she watches herself there. So yes, guys. Now I'm very much tired after eating the lunch.
Good editor.
After
Help for our company.
So guys, this is Tolan Kere.
I think it's second visit for Chaitra.
So this is famous for I cannot say that. It's for couples, right?
Yes, of course.
There's an entry fee, I guess. No entry. Yes, it's there. Children's. What?
See, ಹೊರಗಿನ ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನಿಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ನಿಷೇಧಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಬಿಡ ತಿರ್ಗಾಗ ಹೋಗೋದ ಗೈಸ್ so guys there was a
changed.
it is price the entry fees is there, so as I said, we are not going to spend any amount today, so we are going to her house which is nearby. Yeah, we are going to her house now. Lassi shop here. We are not going inside because we have decided we have decided that we are not going to eat anything by spending money, so we are not going anywhere. And also I am on diet now, so I will not eat outside food. She's murmuring something. This is the house. I cannot take the video inside, so guys, see it from outside. No, I am a shy type. So guys, we have finally reached home. God, it's really hot in Hubli. I never expected this because we continuously sit in office, come out around 6 p.m. in the evening. So we don't know there is this much hot outside because there is so cool inside our office. So today when we went out, our halat is so bad. But yeah, actually I made a video while coming out, after coming out of their house. But I don't know why that didn't get saved here. So yeah, they just went to their house and now I came to my house. Yeah, it's too hot. Now I'm feeling better after getting freshened up. So yes guys, that was it for today. So it was so much fun. While morning going to office, I never thought that we will be enjoying so much today, but it was a lot of fun. Unplanned trips, unplanned things always work out better. So yes guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys like this vlog. Please comment, share, like and subscribe, and please wait for my next vlog. That's for it now. Bye bye.